time to talk about cleaning the floors in your home. Do you have to mop, scrub, and deal with messes by hand? Not anymore. Introducing Dreame L10 Prime. Enjoy clean floors throughout your home without having to clean the floors throughout your home. Dual high-speed rotary mops scrub floors for extraordinary deep cleaning. With ultrasonic carpet detection, L10 Prime raises its mops and ramps up suction on carpet. L10 Prime intelligently raises its mops when encountering rugs and carpets, keeping them nice and dry. With a robust rubber brush and powerful 4,000 Pascal suction, dirt and debris are easily handled. Tailor your cleaning in the app to suit your needs. With upgraded LiDAR navigation and an advanced SLAM algorithm, L10 Prime rapidly generates a detailed 3D map of your home to expertly navigate and clean.
Start cleaning mop pads.
With automatic mop washing and blow drying, L10 Prime cleans your floors and itself. So what are you waiting for? Stop cleaning your home and start enjoying it. All you need is Dreame L10 Prime. Cleans for you and self-cleans for you.